Hello everyone, my name is Colin Engel. I'm an instructor here at SUNY Oneonta. By training, I'm actually a chef. I went back to school in my 30s and got a degree in culinary arts, and I have enjoyed a career in the culinary arts for over 20 years now. A little bit about me. I started in food when I was just in high school. I worked at McDonald's. That was my first job. Since that time, I've had many different jobs in the culinary industry. But in the early 2000s, I decided that I wanted to give back to the school that taught me culinary arts, and I went back to teach. And I've been teaching ever since. I've taught at the high school level in Indiana. I've also taught online for over 10 years now for the Art Institute. The last job I had before coming to Oneonta was at Miami Culinary Institute, which is part of Miami-Dade College in downtown Miami, Florida. I was a professor there, the first professor, as well as a chair for the last 3.5 years. And now I'm here at SUNY Oneonta in the Human Ecology Building in the Food Service and Restaurant Administration program. Some of the things I'm very proud of in my career. I'm a certified executive chef. I've earned a master's in business from Boston University. I have a master's in science and human nutrition, and I'm also a certified culinary educator. Both the CEC and the CCE are through the American Culinary Federation. I've competed before in the American Culinary Federation Hot Foods National Competition. There were 4 of us, and I finished 3rd, so that's not too bad. I started a culinary team at Miami Culinary Institute. I'm going to talk about this a little bit later, but I've also been to the Beijing Olympics in 2008, and I've worked with many people on starting restaurants, everything from a pizza restaurant to an ethnic food Southern soul restaurant. A couple interesting things about me. My brother owns a winery in the Finger Lakes. It's called Bloomer Creek Vineyard or Winery. I used to be a partner, but got out of it. If you ever get a chance to go up to the Finger Lakes on Seneca Lake, on the Seneca Lake Wine Trail, stop in. It's a great place. As I mentioned earlier, I was a cook for the U.S. Olympic team at the Beijing Olympics in 2008. We set up a kitchen in Beijing Normal, and we called it the High Performance Center. We cooked 3 meals a day, 7 days a week for the entire length of the Olympics, as well as a couple of weeks before the games began. I'm hoping that all of you will enjoy this class with me, and I look forward to working with you. See you in the threads.